In this video, I'm going to show you how to make COPYTRADE in GMGN. So the first thing you'll need is a GMGN account, and in case you don't have one yet, there's a link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment, and if you sign up using my link, you will get a 30% discount on all trading fees forever, so make sure you check that out. From here, once you are in GMGN account, you need to get a good wallet you would like to copy trade. So, of course, I'm not going to teach you how to get a good wallet over here, I'll just show you how to set up copy trading. Now, as I said, the most important thing in copy trading is actually finding a good wallet you would like to copy trade. So let's just go over here to one of the random coins, and then you want to go to holders over here, and here's one way of finding different wallets. So I'll just pick this one for instance, and you don't want to click on the wallet over here because this will just copy the address. You want to actually click over here on this avatar, so the image next to it. And from here, as you can see everything on this site, as well as you can set up a copy trade. So to copy trade, click over here, and then you can put in all your different details. So you can select a max buy amount, fixed buy, fixed ratio, and then the amount. You can select different sell methods. You can open up the advanced settings if you would like to. And after this, you want to press confirm, and you've successfully made a copy trade on GMGN. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.